I think we all want to be better at whatever we do. Woodworking is no different. If you have years of experience, getting better could mean becoming more efficient. Getting better may also mean less waste or faster completion of your projects. To get the best results with woodworking projects, start with the basics and invest in some good tools. Years ago, woodworking was taught from father to son or grandfather to grandson, with many men being able to do handyman jobs around the house, including building wood crafts or furniture instead of buying them or hiring a professional to make them, as is commonplace today. However, as you become familiar with woodworking, you can make your own wood crafts or furniture. All it takes is time, patience, the right equipment, and some skill. Woodworking plants can make a woodworker's life heaven. Does that sound like an exaggeration? Well, maybe, but not by much. If you have ever taken on a woodworking project for which you've had an idea, a sketch, or even a picture or two to go off of, you will know exactly what I'm talking about. Free woodworking plans are readily available all over the internet. Just remember, the old adage, you get what you pay for. The major issue with free woodworking plans is that they are certainly not all the same levels of quality. From time to time, you will find some that are of decent quality. However, these are few and far between. Free woodworking plans are occasionally uncomplicated and straightforward, but typically only for someone who has an advanced level of woodworking craftsmanship. If you decide to use free woodworking plans, be certain to check the material list before purchasing your building materials to ensure accuracy. There is nothing worse than getting to a crucial point in the assembly of your project, only to find out you even saw an additional item or special tool. This is probably something that we have all experienced at one time or another. The unexpected cost is one thing, and the frustration can certainly make your woodworking projects far less enjoyable. Whether you are using free woodworking plans or purchased plans, this hassle can be avoided by carefully reading the materials list prior to purchasing supplies. This will save you both time and money. High-quality woodworking plans are readily available. Making use of professional woodworking plans is the best method to ensure that the plans you are working with are precise and accurate. If you are ready to start your next project, take a look at our project plans at woodworking360.com/projects. And for more woodworking tips, check out our blog at woodworking360.com.